Make your B2B customer experience more seamless and stress-free with the Unleashed B2B import orders feature. Your customer will say goodbye to the pain of clicking multiple items for orders with long lists and instead make it effortless and more manageable. To enable this, go to the option settings of your B2B store. Under the General tab, scroll down and toggle on the Allow customers to import orders to cart. Once enabled, all your store customers can now easily import their orders. To bulk import their orders, your customers can go to My Orders and Import Orders. Here, they need to download the CSV template and fill it accordingly. The CSV file has only two columns to fill, the product code and the quantity. We recommend the use of Microsoft Excel or any capable spreadsheet editor in opening and entering the data in the CSV file. When all details are entered, do not forget to save the files as CSV. Once ready, the file can then be dragged and dropped or selected for upload. Customers can import up to 300 lines at a time, which makes ordering items in your store a real pleasure. Any lines not imported, probably due to invalid code or numeric value, are highlighted 10 at a time so your customers can handily correct these. Thanks for watching.